Hey guys, welcome back to Resurrected Gadgets. Today we're going to be talking about irons, and not the pumping iron kind, the fabric kind. This first iron is a General Electric. It's from the 1950s era. The second iron is a Sunbeam Vista. It's from the 1960s era. And the last iron I have, it's more modern. It's from the 70s, 80s era. It's a Black & Decker Light and Easy. Let's go into some details about how an iron actually works. And then we're going to follow it up with information on each of these different irons. This iron is made by General Electric. It's a model 14F19. It's actually a steam travel iron. It operates on both AC and DC current at 120 volts. General Electric is located in Bridgeport, Connecticut. It was formed in 1892 by merging Edison General Electric Company and Thomas Hewson Electric Company. The company continues to operate under General Electric today. During World War II, General Electric supplied the U.S. military with equipment manufacturing. After the war, General Electric sold appliances that were marketed to free up America's housewives from the kitchen so that they would have more time to spend elsewhere. I picked up this particular iron at a thrift store. I don't remember which one. It's been a while. I think it was $6. The value now, if you look on eBay, is anywhere from $10 to $50, just depending on what all comes with the iron and if the box is included and all the knickknacks. But now we're going to plug it in and put it to work. I've never actually used this iron. It's untested. Today was the first time that I took the zip tie off the cord. It does feel like it's heating up. It's making noise. I added water into this piece back here. Oh, there's some steam going on now. I'm not sure if the steam part works the way it should. It feels like there's like a check ball in there, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to like maneuver around, but we're gonna see what happens. I have one of our shop shirts that's been wrinkled up in the merchandise box. We're gonna test it out on one of these. This has a couple of different settings: off, low ray, steam, wool, and cotton. Right now it's on the cotton setting. And I know I need a bigger ironing board, but I'm working with what I've got. My grandma actually gave me this ironing board. I'm not sure what era it is, but I'm sure it's old. So let's give this a whirl. Okay, it does seem as if it's removing wrinkles. Let's slide it over a little bit. Let's see about using the steam function. Alright, so that does work. It is leaving some crusty residue behind. I'm not sure where that's coming from. It's probably embedded in the holes. If I had to take a guess. But it seems to be working good. Now on to the next one. Next up is the Sunbeam iron. This one is my favorite, mainly just because of the pink color, and I love the colors of the 50s, 60s era. This model is the VSS5. It came in several different colors. It came in yellow, pink, and teal. Sunbeam was founded in 1897 as Chicago Flexible Shaft Company. They changed their name to Sunbeam in 1946. They've been producing home appliances since 1910. Products have included the Mixmaster mixer, which we just did a video on, the waffle iron, the Coffee Master, and the toaster. The first household product from Sunbeam was the Princess Electric Iron in 1910. Sunbeam came out with the electric iron in 1922, but once took consumers all day to iron their clothes, now allowed them to be done ironing with everything before noon. What that ad was talking about was the Princess Iron. The Princess Iron wasn't electric. So I can imagine that that took forever in a day to do all the clothes that needed to be ironed. The value now is $10 to $25 for one of these. I paid $8 at our local thrift store for this one. I don't remember which thrift store. I've had all the irons for a while. But we're going to plug it up. This is another one of our shop shirts. They get very wrinkly in the merchandise boxes. We take them to all of our swap meets. They're also on our website. If you would like one, you can send us a message. But here we go. I don't have an outlet on this side, so it's really weird to try to keep the cord out of the way and iron something. I'm doing the best I can. It does appear as if it's working. We got those really bad wrinkles out of there. Let's go for the tail of the shirt right here. Let's try the steam function now. Still nothing. It's trying to though. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit. Ah. Maybe it just wasn't ready yet. I don't know. That is working very nicely. Oops. Let's try another section now that we've got that going. And again, this would be much easier on an actual ironing board. Just doing the best we can. All right. So this one works. Now on to the last one. The last iron that I have for this video is by Black & Decker. It's called the Light and Easy. Its model number is F364ALSD. Black & Decker was founded in 1910 as a small machine shop in Baltimore, Maryland. Black & Decker invented the half-inch portable drill in 1916. That was their big ticket to fame and fortune. In 1989, they had acquired numerous other companies on their way to becoming a large manufacturing corporation. They still produce tools and other household appliances to this day. The value of this iron now is $5 to $30, and I paid $6. I know that this one works because I use it all the time. I didn't have an iron, so this was the first iron that I picked up at the thrift store to basically make custom shirts for myself. We don't really do much ironing here, mainly because I don't have time. And we don't wear any clothes that require ironing. Well, we're going to plug this one in and iron a shirt. Hopefully the iron has warmed up. It does feel warm. I'm not sure if it's ready to steam yet. We're going to go ahead and lay our shirt out. This one was from our car and bike show in 2022. We are putting on the show again. It'll be on October 21st at the Jefferson Civic Center if you want to come bring your vintage vehicle, car, bus, motorcycle, vintage camper. We'd love to see it. Alright, here we go. There we go. It's making steamy noises now. I've never actually used the steam function before when I've been ironing stuff. And it does do a good job of removing the wrinkles. I know my ironing is not good, but you guys get the point. Let's see what happens if we press down. Okay, that doesn't seem to make any difference. I thought it would make it spray out. It also does have a water indicator. Well, there you have it. Well, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, show me some love, and thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.